Hey guys, it's Michael Pendleton, the Motivated Marketer, and today I want to do an overview of all Royaltie's new products for 2018. So guys, I wanted to shoot this quick video and do a Royaltie overview and let you see how this incredible company is growing. I've never seen such growth in a company before. Now, I've been in other companies, but I've never seen such growth in 1 year. 1 year, we have so many new products that I want to show you. So let's get right into this Royaltie 2018 overview. So tell me this, how many people have looked for free Wi-Fi? Have you ever been disappointed when Wi-Fi wasn't available? Have you ever even used guest Wi-Fi? Well, according to Iconic Displays research, 60% of people can't go without Wi-Fi for more than a day. 75% of people say 1 week without Wi-Fi would leave them grumpier than a week without coffee. According to Wi-Fi Alliance, 71% of all communications flow over Wi-Fi. Now, we all know that leads are the life of your business. One of the biggest elements to a successful business is the generation of new leads. If you fail to get leads, who are you going to sell your goods and services to? And if you don't have customers or consumers, how is your business going to make money? Well, introducing Uplink Mobile Guest Wi-Fi. Reach any device, anywhere, anytime. Generate leads like never before. Build your contact list effortlessly. So let's talk about how Uplink Mobile works. Plug your smartphone into your beautiful tiny Uplink router, looking just like it looks here on the right. Your free Wi-Fi network appears on every iPhone, Android, tablet, and laptop with a maximum range of 100 yards. You automatically collect contact information from everyone that logs in. Then we have the Uplink Pro, ideal for brick and mortar locations. Uplink Pro allows you to instantly create a free guest Wi-Fi network by simply plugging into your existing network and creating a new public network for your customers. How does it work? Plug your Uplink Pro into your existing network and create new public network for your customers. Your free Wi-Fi network appears on every iPhone, Android, tablet, and laptop with a maximum range of 100 yards. You automatically collect contact information from everyone that logs in. Let's talk about some Uplink technology. You can instantly create and name your own free guest Wi-Fi hotspot. Have your guests log in with a social media account or email address. Have your guests land on the page you choose after logging in. It's effortless lead generation. Let's talk about the Royaltie Vision. Justin Bellababa is Royaltie's CEO. He graduated magna cum laude of economics from Harvard University. He's a serial entrepreneur in health, finance, and technology. The overall vision for Royaltie is to build a world-class lead generation platform. We launched Royaltie in January of 2017. So how many people have Android phones? How often do people look at their phones? How often do people check their notifications? According to Chirp's research, Android accounted for 67% of U.S. phone activation in April through June of 2017, up to 63% in the same quarter last year. Now, iOS activations dropped from 32% to 31% in that stretch. Android dominates the global market with a whopping 87%, while iOS comes in a distant 12%, in a distant second. It's difficult to pin down an exact figure for how much time people spend on their mobile phones in 2017, but the simple answer is over 4 hours a day, according to a study conducted by Flurry. According to Flurry, the average person checks his or her notifications approximately every 12 minutes. Doing business without advertising is like winking at a girl in the dark. You know what you're doing, but no one else does. What we're doing here, ladies and gentlemen, is proximity marketing. What is it? Proximity marketing is all about marketing to your customer at the right place, at the right time, with highly relevant and personalized notifications. Introducing the Royaltie Gem. You work hard to bring in new business. Let Royaltie make it easy. Now, as you'll see on the left, these are our 4 different Royaltie Gems. And on the right is what the people will see when they go to their notifications on their Android. If you look down the middle, it says your ad here for less than $1 a day. You create a 40-character message, and then you redirect them to whichever link that you choose. So how it works? How does it work? We give you a tiny wireless device called the Royaltie Gem. You decide the promotional message you want to broadcast. The Royaltie Gem sends your message to every Android smartphone as long as Bluetooth and location are turned on. So let's go over the gem models. Now the NF Gem, which is our flagship product and one you're probably most familiar with, has a maximum range of 100 meters. The BF Gem has a maximum range of 400 meters. The GF Gem has a maximum range of, are you ready for this? 1,000 meters. So let's talk about the technology. The Royaltie Gem is battery powered and lasts 2 years. It doesn't require cellular data or a Wi-Fi connection. Just take it out the box and you're up and running. We work with all kinds of small business owners, storefronts, restaurants, salons, fitness, clubs, service providers, personal trainers, plumbers, contractors, cleaners, real estate industry, digital billboard, enhanced listing, busier open house. Introducing the Royaltie app. With the Royaltie app, you can make simple templates, any size background, profile picture, your name, job, company, contact information, all your social media sites. Royaltie contacts. Save the people you meet and follow up with a click. Now let's go over the simple NF Gem pricing. And that's our flagship gem. One gem is $25 per month. Each additional gem is $12 per month. We ask for first and last month's subscription is billed up front. Up to 100 meter range includes unlimited messaging, one-time activation, $30 activation fee, shipping $10 in North America and $30 international. The BF Gem, one gem is $35 per month. Each additional gem is $17 per month. First and last month's subscription billed up front. Up to a 400 meter range includes unlimited messaging, one-time $30 activation fee per device, shipping $10 in North America and $30 international. The GF Gem, one gem, $45 per month. Each additional gem is $22 per month. First and last month subscription billed up front. Up to up to 1,000 meter range includes unlimited messaging, one-time $75 activation fee per device, shipping $10 in North America and $30 international. Simple Uplink mobile pricing. The Uplink mobile is $29 per month. Now this is an introductory price and is offered for a very limited time. Now I'm making this video on April the 10th, 2018. This price will go up on April the 15th. I do not know what the price is going to be. I'm sure it's not going to be much, but why not get it in now so you'll be grandfathered in at this low introductory price. First and last month subscription billed up front, one-time $30 activation fee per device, shipping $10 from North America and $30 international. Simple Uplink Pro pricing. One Uplink Pro is $29 a month again. Once again, it's the introductory price offered for a very limited time. First and last month subscription billed up front. One-time $30 activation fee per device. Shipping $10 North America, $30 international. We're pleased to offer Royaltie affiliates the most lucrative compensation plan in the industry. Our compensation philosophy provide Royaltie affiliates with the ideal combination of upfront cash bonuses and reoccurring monthly earnings so they can build and inspire great teams and be rewarded generously for their efforts today and for years to come. Upfront cash bonuses. Now, you get a $250 bonus for every 10 GEM customers and affiliates. So what that means is every time you bring in 10 personal new customers and affiliates, you're going to make $250. Now, you can do that this month and then bring another 10 in next month. That's another $250. It is unlimited. Number of gems doesn't matter. It can be 1 gem. It can be 100 gems. It doesn't matter. As long as there's 10 new customers coming in, personal, you're going to get $250. Now, we do have reoccurring monthly earnings based on total team revenue generated from both GEM and Uplink sales. Your personal customers and affiliates plus your affiliates' personal customers and affiliates. Now, that means we have a 2-level compensation plan. Once again, let me repeat that. Your personal customers and affiliates plus their personal customers and affiliates. Above $80,000 in monthly team subscription revenue, the affiliate will earn 30% on all additional sales. Earn monthly credits. Now, this is based on team volume. Like I said before, your customers and affiliates and their customers and affiliates. So when you reach a $74 in team volume, you're going to receive a $25 credit. When you reach a $98 volume in team volume, you're going to get a $50 credit. $196 in team volume is a $75 credit. To qualify, you need to have made 1 personal sale in the preceding 3 months. Very easy qualifications. We also have a fast start bonus with double commissions. Now, this is for all new affiliates that reach a commission paying rank in their first full calendar month. They receive double commissions for the rank received up to a maximum bonus of $500. Now, here is a chart of our very simple compensation plan. It is not a two-tiered, two-leg, double matrix, quadruple, whatever. It's very simple, and you can print out the chart, put it up in front of you like I have in front of me in my office, so I know exactly where I need to be to make the money that I want to make. So if you look to the far left, that is your rank, your level. Credit Club 1, when you have we already went over this, $74 in team volume, you're going to get a $25 credit. $98 in team volume, a $50 credit. $196 in team volume, a $75 credit. So let's say, for instance, you got 1 gem. That's costing you $25 a month. Well, once you reach a team volume of $74, you're going to get a $25 credit. What's that mean? Free. But let's go down to the real money. When you become bronze, that means you're generating a $300 monthly volume with your team. You're going to make $120 a month, paid out on the 15th of every month. I've been with this company since May of 2017, and they've never missed a payment. Now let's go down a little bit. If you, at the Pearl level, and you have a total team volume of $10,000, you're making $4,000 a month. Now, our top earner right now in Royaltie is making $11,000 a month and is inching up on $15,000 a month. So I'm sure you can see from this how lucrative and how easy it is to make the money and how easy our compensation plan is. We also have training. We want you to be trained, especially if you're going to go out and sell this to make money. We want you to know everything there is to know about the products, about the service, about the company. So we have training in your back office. Now listen, even if you're a brick and mortar business owner and you're just using this because you want to get leads for your business, or you want to get your products and services seen by hundreds and hundreds of people a day, you want you to take this training. You still want to take this training because you want to know everything there is to know about your product. You take these trainings, they're very easy, they're very concise, they get right to the point, and once you're done, you can print out your certificate. It will have your name on it. So guys, that's it in a nutshell. This is the Royaltie Elite. That's the name of our team. We'd love for you to be a part of it. Once again, when you join with us at the Royaltie Elite, you don't just get royalty support. You get added to our private Facebook groups. You get me working with you side by side to get you started, and you get my incredible mentors. You can reach me at area code 609-315-7183. But if what you've seen is blowing your mind and you're ready to get started, then go right down in the description, click on the link, and join Royaltie. I look forward to talking to you, showing you more about Royaltie, and welcoming you to our team. This is Michael Pendleton, the Motivated Marketer. Have a wonderful day.